Hi guys, welcome back. It's got a quick little mod today. We've got this speed limit indicator ordered off AliExpress for 20 quid. Basically what I will do is put the miles per hour off the street or wherever you are on the instrument cluster here. So what you got to do first is code it, then remove the instrument cluster, and then obviously clip this in. That goes into there, the module. It's an emulator. I'm going to try and do this with one hand. Let's try and do it in 1 second. Right. So obviously with mine being an F31, you connect the F series to the module, and then the main harness will plug into there, and that will plug into the instrument cluster. So what I'll do the coding first, but I'll just quickly tell you how to take this off. So we've got two T20 screws there, and this will literally come forward like that, and just put microfiber cloth here so you don't scratch your plastics. And I'll show you how I've got mine connected, and I'll show you how to do the coding as well. Right, so instrument cluster removed. Sorry, you couldn't see that. Remove the mouse cable. Plugged in. So this is the main plug that goes into the instrument cluster, which is plugged now into the emulator, and then this one goes into the instrument cluster. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some double-sided sticky tape there to hold it in place. But for now, I'm just going to close the instrument cluster back up so I can test fit it and just drive it, make sure everything's working. And then obviously I'm going to put some double-sided sticky tape there and then just tuck all the wires down there. Well, yeah, that's it. This is literally took 5 minutes. But definitely put a cloth here because you don't want to scratch your plastics. Obviously you can see there, I don't know if you can see it or not, but I've got a couple of marks there, but that will come out with some dash cleaner. So what I'm going to do now is put it back in, and then I'll go for a quick drive. But also, you saw me change the build date on my Esys. That's because I've got the MBT Evo, so I have to change that, otherwise I've got to recode everything again. But yeah, let me plug it all back in now and I'll show you how it works. So there you go, you can see the icon popped up already there. So what you do is you press the BC button on your stalk on your on the left hand side. Just scroll through the menu. 1 second. See, that's there. But then you also, I did see another thing that's just popped up now as well. Yeah, I think it's just all part of one. What I'll do is I'll go for that drive just and show you how what miles per hour it pops up with. So just give me a couple of minutes. Right, as you can see there, it's showing 30. That's showing 30 kilometers. At the start, when I was reading the description, and it was all coming up with kilometers. It is annoying, but I guess you just live with it. You rather know what speed you're supposed to do, and you're not really asked about the miles per hour kilometers, because obviously you know what speed it is. And because the road that I'm on right now is 30 miles per hour, when I'm going to dual carriageway, it'll pop up with 40. So yeah, it seems to be working. As soon as I come out of my street, it popped up with 30 miles per hour. So yeah, I'll let you know how I get on with it after a couple of days. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you've enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, it helps. Obviously we get more videos, we do more mods. The next one I'm trying to do is the reversing camera. I'm just struggling to find some parts and the wiring and stuff, and I've still got to finish off the video when I cleaned all my wheel arches and the ceramic coat my wheels and stuff, which is stupidly long. But yeah, cheers guys, see you soon. So in that previous clip, what you saw was the miles per hour showing incorrectly. The reason for that was because I messed about with my head unit, and it gets the miles per hour, the speed limits, from the maps itself. So mine was showing it was in America instead of being in the UK. So obviously I've corrected that, and I've been driving around for about a week, and you know, it's pretty accurate. So yeah, I'd say that's a good buy. Nice little £20 cheap retrofit. I would recommend it. Easy to do by yourself. So I'll add the link below. And yeah, just go from there. Anyway, thanks guys.